Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional on Monday, November the 2nd, 2020. Yes, 1-star Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all. I've told you earlier I do 4 of them, and the first one will be number 1831, and this one is a 3 stars Sudoku, and I've already counted the printed numbers digits. There are 25 as usual. All right, you can check if I'm correct. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 9 in this column and 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot yes, the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Yeah. How about look in this big square? 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. The 3 and the 5, we have this in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So those 3 missing numbers are the 6, the 4, and the 2. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That means the other 3 numbers, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. The 8 is missing. The 7 is missing and the 1 is missing. And look, we have a pair. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place, so the middle column, the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. So we have here the 6, 4, and the 2. That means 1 box left for the 8. This should be the 8. 8 for 6. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. This box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes and there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. Let me mark them, 2 and 4. That means the other 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 6. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 1 could be here, could be there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2, 4, 2, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there, so the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. Let me mark them, I cannot fill this yet. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 6 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 3 is missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But I see here a 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5, could be here, could be there. 9. 1, yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 7 here. One of the missing number in this big square is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And how about the 2? 2 is missing. And the 4 is missing. This cannot be a 4. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers. 287, 287. Yes. 2. Let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So it cannot be a 5. The 5 must be here. I need a 2 here because 2, 2, 2. Yes, these 3 numbers, 8, 6, and 3. Remember that 8, 6, and 3. That means 1 digit left. 8, 6, and 3. This should be a 4. All right. 2. 6, 8, and 3 should be here. Yeah. These 2 should be a 3 because we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So the first row, those 2 boxes should be a 3. 3, 3, 3. 2, 6. 3 missing numbers, 3, 8, and 6. We have a 3 and an 8 here, so this cannot be a 3 or an 8. The 3 and an 8 goes in those two boxes. This should be a 6. So 3 and 8. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 could be here, could be there. 4, 7, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 7 could be here, could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those two boxes. 4 could be here, could be there. That means the 4 should be in one of those two boxes. Yes. This should be also the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so on the third row. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 could be here, 4 could be there. 2. I need a pair, I need a pair. 5, 6, 8. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only two places for the 7 could be here, could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright, so the 3 missing numbers now. Oh, no. Let me continue with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 could be here, could be there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2, let me mark them. Those 2 numbers in this column, the 3 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the 6 and the 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this can be a 4, this should be the 4, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing here, yes. 5, so 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, the third column. So the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there, 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4, this should be the 4. And one number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, wow! I'm very pleased. Yes, in 50 minutes I have solved this Sudoku. Do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.